Welcome to today's crochet tutorial. In this video, we'll be making a cute and elegant flower hair clip, perfect for adding a handmade touch to your hairstyle or gifting to someone special. We'll be using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. This project is beginner friendly and works up quickly. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our crochet tutorials. Let's get started. For round 1, begin with 2 single crochet, then chain 4, followed by 40 single crochet. Finish with a slip stitch to close the round. You're doing great so far. Make sure your tension stays even for a nice, clean base. Tip: adjust the number of single crochets depending on the length of your hair clip. Moving to round 2, start with 5 half double crochet, then slip stitch. Now repeat this pattern 12 times, skip 1 stitch, work half double crochet, half double crochet in the next stitch, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch. This round will create the decorative edge of your hair clip. Tip: keep track of your repeats to ensure a symmetrical look. For the flower, begin with a magic ring. Inside the ring, crochet 6 puff stitches. Repeat this set 5 times to make 5 petals. Puff stitches give your flower a soft and full appearance. Stay consistent with your loops to make all petals even. Tip: after finishing the petals, pull the magic ring tightly to close the center. That's it. You've just completed a lovely handmade flower hair clip. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like this video, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crochet ideas. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!